guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's Saturday, still getting ready for the hurricane, but right now we're like in pause because we don't know which way the hurricane's going right now. So I'm just taking a break, and this succulent right here that I have, I've had already for about 2 years, and it really stretched out and now it's hanging. See, it's just hanging down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and propagate these. There's a lot of heads. This was only one plant, guys, and look at all the echeverias that I got going on. I don't know what kind of echeveria this is. I don't remember. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting, and we're gonna see how many heads are actually attached to these stems right here. But I have to be careful because even on the stem, there's more growing. So let's see. See? Look right here how close that was. So I'm doing this because, well, I have a lot of plants right now inside the house, and I'm going to be keeping them inside the house for a while. So yeah, I wouldn't put this outside, obviously, because I just created a wound in it, and you don't want water going into that. So I just have to let them calce over really good. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this one right here. There's one head right here. So these were just 2 heads. Well, actually, this is a double head. You can't split this because it just split itself. Like, it's 2 heads in one, so you can't split that one. But I can clean it up now easier. So yeah, it looks like it's heading more now to Georgia. And is it North Carolina, Bev?
Excuse me?
North Carolina is heading towards?
Georgia, South Carolina.
Georgia and South Carolina. So yeah, I hope those people get prepared for that. Oh, I'm over here doing this off the screen. I was removing some of the leaves. I don't know why the leaves grow down like that. This one has always done that, so I can't explain why they do that. I've read before that it means something, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with this one. It's like when it's trying to protect itself. But there was nothing wrong with this one, so I don't know why it would do that. I just broke that poor leaf right there. Should I take another one out? Oh, look at this. This one, this was supposed to split, and it didn't. So this is a double. There's 2 leaves here. Yeah, this one, it grows a little funky right now. It's growing all together. So that's one head. Here's another one. This one's pretty big. That's a pretty big one. Just gonna clean this one up. This one looks better than the other one. It's got a few broken leaves. Some of these don't snap as easy as some other ones. But here's this one. Really pretty. So I'll just have to let those calce over. Now I'm gonna look in here and trim that one. See, look at that. I can't, it's so hard to clean that because of the way they're growing. It's so weird. So now I have to find where the stem where I can cut. Okay, I think I can cut this one here. Okay. Some people find that noise satisfying. I don't know why. Okay, see this one, it just grew kind of wonky. Maybe stretching out, looking for the sun because of the way it was hanging. I have no idea. I'm just gonna leave it alone and then hopefully it will just correct itself as it grows. No mealy bugs, that's good. So yeah, that's kind of wonky right there. Maybe also they grew a little weird because they had the other one growing right next to it. Could be. Here's another one. I thought it was, in the past I thought it was a Morning Beauty, but it doesn't look like it. It's similar, but not exact. Okay, let me see here. I don't want to cut any of the babies that are growing. Okay, wow. Look at that. So this is what I have left, all these babies here. They're gonna grow really nice. Then I have to see where I can split these. I don't even know if I split it. Oh, I see, okay, I see where I could do it. Okay, wow. Gotta get some stem here. Goodness, some of these leaves won't budge. Okay, look at that one. That one's kind of pretty perfect, the way it looks. I like that one. Now this one, also same thing, 2 heads in one. Trying to see, oops, sorry. Trying to see what that is. That's just dirt. See how it grew a little funky? But that's because the other one I think was pressing on it, so I'm not sure. Anyway, so that is it. Let's see how many heads we got, even though they're a little funky. One, two, three, four, five, six big ones, and then we have all the babies that are in the pot. So I'll just put this in a bright lit area for now while it calluses over, and then I can plant them. Here you go. This one has a lot. I don't know if I can count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, I believe, are in there. That's pretty cool. Now all the energy that was going into those big heads are going to go to this one. It will grow and I'll be able to remove some as well, and I'll let it propagate and continue the process. That's it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to thank you guys all for the prayers and support that you guys have given me in my last video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.